Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
My name is Alahji Oladumeji, Olaha. Chinedu. So I'm here to give some thought. I didn't know what is the problem.
Yes.
We have to urge our royal fathers to please and please and please come into this issue that is happening in Nigeria. Yes, it's in Nigeria,
Yeah.
especially in Western world. To please look into the matter, because all we are hearing, we are living in Anambra State.
Okay.
Awka, precisely. We have Majesty in Onitsha. We have Majesty in Ndigbo.
Yes.
We draw it as in 3 senatorial zones.
Yes.
That is, so I am taking care of the Yoruba community in Anambra Central. 7 local governments. My royal father that is in Onitsha is taking care of Anambra North.
Okay.
Senatorial zones. Then likewise in Ndigbo. That is how we draw it. But it's irritating. Today you go to media, you had the government of Lagos State is demolition part of Lagos State or this site. It's irritating now. If he didn't have any person in Eastern Zone, let him know other tribes are here living, and we have no problem. Igbo people are friendly. We are living in peace. They are accommodating. Most of us are marrying to Igbo ladies, and we are living peacefully with them. I didn't know what is the problem. If there is anything, let our royal father please come into it and see how the peace that is in Nigeria will remain. We need peace in Nigeria. We need peace in Nigeria. As far as we are saying we are one Nigeria, I believe in one Nigeria. But all this politics or whatever that is happening today, tomorrow, fighting or demolition of houses or even trade fair, we are not happy about it. Whenever we hear that, we always panicking too, because we are in somebody's environment. So how is it gonna be tomorrow? Some people will rise up and start chasing us around. It won't be much nice now.
Arresting the Igbo kings in Lagos.
So we plead and pleaded. We need our help.
Baba, what do you say about the way they are arresting all these Ezeigbo in Lagos and taking them to prison? What do you say about that one? Because according to you now, you said that you control some zones. In Anambra, and the Awka they control some zones.
Yeah.
Then the Igbo people have the same thing structure in Lagos, and they are arresting them. So what do you say about that?
Well, what I can say, I cannot say much about that one. I cannot say because I didn't know much about it. But I know in Awka today, whenever I reach to Ezozo Palace,
Yes.
Obi gives in Musu.
Yeah.
Whenever I go to him, I know whatever that I'm doing is under his umbrella.
Yes.
I cannot do any, I didn't do more than him. We used to go to meeting in his palace every last Saturday of the month.
Okay.
So, but I know I carry myself along with him. I don't do anything as if, yes, I can do anything. We caution ourselves whenever any of our brothers are messing up, or even before the other person could hear it, we used to caution them. Call him back home, my friend, you are not in your kingdom. Even you are in your kingdom, the trouble will be too much. They will tell you what the next thing.